Nations waiting for power tonight. People all across Southwest Florida are ready for their lights and their AC to come back on. And thank you so much for joining us tonight. I'm Patrick Nolan.
And I'm Amy Wegman. 4 in Your Corner is hearing from some of the hardest hit neighborhoods in Southwest Florida, wanting to know what's taking so long. 4 in Your Corner's Deborah Souverain tonight pushing the power companies to get some specifics. Deborah?
Amy and Patrick, FPL has over 22,000 employees and contractors working to get the power back on. They tell me even if you don't see crews in your area, they are working around the clock.
The recovery without air conditioning is the hardest part.
Joe Wallen and his wife Deb are still without power. The heat is giving their dog Dosher a rough time.
We're coping. Our biggest thing is we got a 14-year-old dog, and he's not coping very well simply because it's so hot.
They're one of nearly 100,000 FPL customers in Collier County still without power.
We've gone as long as 10 days before without power, but we were a lot younger and it was easier then.
More than 335,000 FPL customers are without power across Southwest Florida, but their emergency response team is working on the ground and from the air to get everyone's power back online.
Here is one of several, up to 30 or so drone operators that are helping us to assess the damage and ultimately the challenges that we need to overcome to get the lights back on.
FPL says their Hurricane Irma relief efforts is the largest restoration project in their history. Over 22,000 employees and contractors are working to restore power.
This is a classic example of our crews are out of sight, but they're working around the clock trying to get the lights back on. And we're not going to stop until we do so.
Their crews are working around the clock. For small business owners like Joe, it can't come soon enough.
They don't have power, and that's probably the main pressing thing on me because I know without electric there's perishable products in those stores.
Now, according to an FPL spokesperson, the latest you may have to wait for your power to be turned back on is September 22nd. Reporting in Lee County, Deborah Souverain, Fox 4, in Your Corner.
All right, thank you.